This video will show you the basic features of the Polycom Touch Control. If you want to make a call, simply touch the Place a Call button to show the numeric keypad, and then dial the video extension or IP address. Press the Home button at any time to return to the main screen. Touch the Search Directory icon to show contacts from the corporate directory. From here, you can also view recent calls. The placed calls show in blue, and the received calls in red. The Show Content button allows you to share files from your computer with other participants in the call. Swipe the screen to the left to show the cameras, audio, and calendar icons. Press the camera icon to move your camera and adjust the video you are sending to other participants. Press the audio icon to adjust the speaker volume or mute the microphone. Press the calendar icon to list scheduled meetings in the room, as well as join instantly any ongoing meeting. One additional swipe to the left will show the system, user settings, and administration icons, which are reserved for advanced users. Once in a call, you can control these features from the call dashboard. Enjoy your meeting.